How does President Bongbong Marcos assess yung performance ng Independent Commission for Infrastructure or ICI sa mga nakalipas na buwan? Because you have Baguio Mayor Benji Magalong's rating yung performance ng ICI as 3 out of 10, calling it no longer viable and therefore needs to be abolished. And former Senate President Frank Trilon, sinabi niya naman po na it's already a dead body and could no longer function.
Siguro po, muli kay Mayor Magalong, wag niya naman muna pong pangunahan kung anong nasa isip ng Pangulo. Hayaan na lang po natin muna kung ano po ang mangyayari sa ICI dahil sa ngayon po, ang tiwala ng Pangulo sa ICI ay nandiyan pa rin po.
Sabi po ni Special Advisor Rodolfo Azurin, the ICI cannot yet make any referrals amid its ongoing probe po sa flood control due to lack of commissioners. Hindi po ba ito cause for concern? And hindi po ba nakikita ng Palace yung need na mag-appoint po ulit ng bagong commissioners para magpatuloy po yung investigation?
Sa ngayon po sa aking pagkakatingin ay hindi naman po pwedeng hindi sila or wala silang kakayanan mag-rekomenda.
So ma'am, for you po, parang hindi po kailangan ngayon ng kapalit sina Fajardo and Singson.
Nasa Pangulo po kasi yan, hindi po natin masasabi kung may replacement na. But as of now, hindi po hadlang.
ICI does not need a quorum to recommend po within its commissioners.
Recommendation lang naman po. So hindi mo na, sa aking pagkakaintindi, hindi po kailangan ng quorum dahil nabuo po sila para po makumpleto po ang pag-iimbestiga. Katulad po ni Secretary Babe Singson at si Commissioner Fajardo. So ang kanilang mandato po ay, according to them, ay natapos naman din po. So kung magre-recommenda ng kaso at kumpleto na po ang mga ebidensyang naipasok sa kanila, maaari po itong irekomenda.
The uncertainty of the ICI, what does this say about the sense of importance, the sense of priority, and the sense of urgency being accorded the commission by the President?
Still, what I'm trying to say is that even if the ICI will only have one member, and that's the chairman, Chairman Reyes, he could also, or he could still recommend the filing of the case.
Former Chief PNP Azurin, susulat daw po sila sa Office of the President to get the clarification as to the fate of the ICI. Ang tanong po siguro kailangan pa ho ba nilang sumulat sa Pangulo or sa Office of the President para ho mabigyan sila ng direksyon?
Mas maganda po kung magkakaroon sila ng meeting with the President. Pero independent body po ito, or rather a commission. So, hintayin na lang po natin ang pagdating ng Pangulo patungkol po dyan. At kung meron nga po silang sulat, mas maganda po na maiparating agad nila.